Across hidden habitats, ordinary animals host extraordinary defenses that scientists are only beginning to understand, while communities below the canopy reveal tiny acts of kindness that keep ecosystems thriving. In moonlit reefs, unlikely creatures shape sparkling scenes that remind viewers how balance is built one small interaction at a time. Birds and mammals cooperate in surprising ways, showing teamwork that teaches children the value of sharing and watching out for others. Microbes, fungi, and plants collaborate in quiet networks, inspiring sustainable habits at home through simple observation. These hidden stories invite every family to protect nature with curiosity and care.